So many questions this morning on reopenings, vaccines, sports, plus a series of controversial tweets from President Trump overnight, including an attack on Dr. Fauci. It comes as cases continue to surge across the country. COVID-19 hospitalizations are on the rise in at least 40 states, and the death toll is increasing in 28.
Hard-hit Florida is one of those states where cases are climbing. ICUs there overflowing. Hospital admissions increasing by 79% since July 4th. Victor Okendo joins us from Miami with the very latest. Good morning, Victor.
Good morning, Michael. From inside one of the clinical labs here in Miami, participating in the final stage of Pfizer's vaccine clinical trials, AMR Miami joining in the race for a vaccine. Doses starting this week in patient rooms just like this one, as cities and states across the country struggle to slow the spread of the virus. This morning, rolling back reopenings. St. Louis now limiting crowds to 50 people and closing bars early. Officials now saying they will take action against businesses that ignore social distancing. Packed gatherings concerning Dr. Deborah Birx, warning some states might need to shrink capacities even further.
We can see what is happening in the South moving north. We do believe that there are states that do need to close their bars.
And now new crackdowns coming. Overnight, New York's Governor Andrew Cuomo tweeting this video of a concert in the Hamptons on Saturday saying, "I am appalled. The Department of Health will conduct an investigation. We have no tolerance for the illegal and reckless endangerment of public health." The event's organizers stressing it followed CDC guidelines and made best efforts to ensure social distancing guidelines were maintained. In Florida, this gym owner was arrested after repeatedly violating county health orders, arguing his guests can't be forced to wear a mask. In Alabama, more than 40 people tested positive after attending a multi-day church event last week, including the pastor. He says while they took precautions ahead of the event, services were shut down after the first member learned they had the virus. COVID-19 derailing Major League Baseball just 4 days after opening day. MLB postponing 3 games after an outbreak on the Miami Marlins infected more than a dozen players and staff, leaving many to wonder if the season will continue.
We're taking risks every day. It's fair to say that guys are concerned.
I don't see it as a nightmare. We built the protocols to allow us to continue to play. We think we can keep people safe and continue to play.
This as Dr. Anthony Fauci tells ABC News that some of the messages the Trump administration has relayed to the public did not always match the reports he was getting from people on the front lines about struggles like shortages of protective equipment.
We keep hearing when we go to these task force meetings that these are being corrected, that is being corrected, but yet when you go into the trenches, you still hear about that. I really, quite frankly, have to be honest with you, I cannot explain that.
Overnight, new hope in the race for a vaccine as Moderna begins its phase 3 trial. Pharmaceutical company Pfizer announcing it's moving into the final phase of testing in its vaccine trial, anticipating to test up to 30,000 people. If it's successful and approved, their goal is to have 100 million doses available by the end of the year.
We're now looking at safety and efficacy. That is the ability of the vaccine to actually prevent COVID-19. And this is the trial that will generate the key data needed to actually get a license to distribute the vaccine.
And like Moderna, Pfizer's vaccine likely won't be available until early next year. Once Pfizer gives the green light, clinical labs like AMR Miami will be looking for volunteers. Michael?
All right, thank you so much, Victor.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.